Children, let's continue. Exercise 18.1, seventh question. A path 5 meter wide run along inside the rectangle. Now what is given? You are given a rectangle. In question number 5 and 6, path was outside. Now outer dimensions are given. Clear? And it is given length of the rectangular field is thrice the width. What is given? The length is thrice the width. So let the width of the rectangular park is x. What it is? It is field it is. Let the width is x. Length will be 3x. This is given to us. Now path is built inside. Clear? You have to build the path inside this field. Clear? Inside. Now children, you know the outer dimensions and you have to find inner dimensions. What will be inner? See beta, this length will be total 3x minus 5 from this side and minus 5 from this side. That will be 3x minus 10. I wrote here. Same way, width, inner width, outer width is x. So x minus 5 from this side, minus 5 from this side. So width is equal to x minus 10. Now, what you are given? You are given area of the path. As we have done in other question, area of path, how to find out? Outer area minus inner area is equal to 500. It is given. Outer will be L into B, 3x into x, minus L into B will be 3x minus 10 into x minus 10 is equal to 500. 3x into x will make it 3x square. Since minus sign is there, so better to put here the bracket. And now let's expand these brackets. 3x multiplied by x is 3x square. 3x multiplied by 10 is 30x. Sign will be negative. Now minus 10 into x is 10x with the negative sign. Minus minus plus 10 tens are 100. Now open the bracket. You know that outside the bracket minus sign is there. All these signs will change. It was positive became negative. Negative became positive. Negative became positive. Positive became negative. 3x square will get cancelled. 30 and 10 both are like terms. 40x. Shift 100 that side. It will become 500 plus 100. 600. X is 600 over 4. It is 15. And you are asked to find length and width of the field. Length was 3x, 3 into 15, 45 meter. Width is x, that is 15 meter. Eighth question, if the cost of rupees 1600 to fence a rectangular park. Beta, a rectangular park is there. Fencing means you have to cover the boundary. Since the question is related to boundary, it means it is concerned with perimeter. Question is, if we want to do fencing of a field, total money spent is 1600. So beta, what is the formula of total money spent? It is equal to money spent on 1 meter. It is given 25 rupees into, as the question is related to fencing, into the perimeter. Fine. If it is concerned with area, then we will take area into money spent on 1 meter square. So this is what? 1600 is equal to 2 into 25, 50. Length is 20 and width we have to find out. Clear? Now this 50 is multiplying with this bracket, can be taken this side and it will divide. When you take 50 this side, it will divide. Cancel out the terms. Here you are left with 32 is equal to 20 plus b. Width you have to find out. Transpose 20 this side, it will subtract. So width is equal to 12 meters. Ninth question. Area of square field. Type of figure is square. Area is given 81 hectares. 81 hectares. Find the cost of fencing. Children, it is fencing. It means related to perimeter. Clear? Cost of fencing the field with a wire at the rate of rupees 2.25 per meter. Beta, cost is given per meter wise and here area is given hectare wise. So let's convert hectare to meters. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. Clear? So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. Area of square, you know, side square is equal to 8,10,000. Side, remove square from this side, it will change to under root. 81 square root is 9. So 2 pairs will be formed here of 0 zeros. So 1 0 from this pair, 1 0 from this pair. Side we got 900. So total money spent is equal to money spent on 1 meter into the perimeter. So money spent on 1 meter, it is given in the question 2.25 into what is perimeter of square? It is 4 into side. So 2.25 into 4, side we got 900. Remove this decimal, zeros will cancel. So you will multiply 225 into 4 into 9. That will be your answer. 10th question. The width of rectangular field is 3 by 7 of length. Width is 3 by 7 of length. So let length is x, width will be 3 by 7x. Perimeter of the field is given 140. Clear? So what is the formula of perimeter? 2L plus B is equal to 140. 2 into L is x, width is 3 by 7x is equal to 140. So 2 is multiplying with this bracket. When you will take it this side, it will divide. Take LCM. 7 into x is 7x plus 3x over 7. 140 and 2 will get cancelled. Here you will get 70. 7x plus 3x is 10x. Take 7 over here. It is 70 into 7. X is 49. What is x? 49. And you are asked to find length and width. Length was x, 49 meter. Width was 3 by 7x, meaning 3 by 7 into 49. 7 7s are 49 and 7 3s are 21 meter is the answer. 11th question. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular field. Now what is given? A rectangular field. Fencing means related to perimeter. So the cost of fencing will be equal to perimeter into the money spent on 1 meter square. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B and money spent on 1 meter square, it is already given 50. Length is given, width is given, put the value 2, 10 plus 5 is 15 into 50. Multiply all these, you will get answer 1500. Okay. Now 12th question of this exercise we will do on book only. Look children, very interesting question. Look here. In the adjoining figure, find the area of shaded portion. You have to find area of the shaded portion. For your convenience, what I did children, I have given naming to the shaded portion. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So shaded portion, I am going to find area of A, B, E, F. Beta, what is A, B, E, F? Is it a rectangle? Clear? This is a rectangle. We will find area of A, B, E, F. I wrote the same thing here. Look here. A, B, E, F plus we will find area of this rectangle also. C, D, G, H. C, D, G, H. Now you must be thinking why ma'am has subtracted I, J, K, L. I, J, K, L. This portion, why it is subtracted? Children, when you took this rectangle, this portion was included. When you took this rectangle, this portion was included. So it is repeated 2 times that we are not supposed to take. So 1 time we have to subtract it. Clear? That's why what we did, area of AB, ABEF plus area of CDGH minus 1 time IJKL. Now let's find their values. What is area of ABEF? Beta, what is length of this rectangle? It is 15. And what is width? 3. So 15 into 3. Let's come to this rectangle. What is length of this rectangle? It is equal to 12 and width is 2. So 12 into 2. Now this common portion, clear? Its length is 3 and width is 2. 3 into 2. So 15 3s are 45, 12 2s are 24, minus 3 2s are 6. Add it, it will be 69 minus 6. Answer is 63 meter square. With this, your first exercise is finished and I hope you all have understood this exercise. Next, we'll continue in the next video. Thank you.